Welcome to part 10 of the 1000 verb challenge. Let's get started. Raise. Raise. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Pass. Pass. Please pass the ball to me. Move. Move. Move the toy to the other side. Require. Require. This game requires 2 players. Report. Report. Report to the teacher if you find something lost. Decide. Decide. I can't decide which ice cream to choose. Turn. Turn. Turn the page to read more. Return. Return. I will return the toy to my friend. Explain. Explain. Can you explain this game to me? Hope. Hope. I hope we can play outside today. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 verb challenge. See you in the next video.